Good morning. I'm Hudson with Crown and Blade Turf. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the eco-friendly benefits of having artificial turf. You're going to ultimately be saving thousands of gallons of water a year. We live out here in Arizona. All of the water consumption that is occurring out here that's really ultimately leaving us in a drought in the Southwest, just like electricity, water bills are not going down. So this is a price that you're continuing to see grow over time. You're really looking to not only reduce the amount of water to help save all the longevity of the states in the Southwest for our children, for our grandchildren, but as well, a lot of times what people don't know is putting a lot of water up and near your property. Water does a lot of damage. It over time will degrade concrete foundations. So this is something where the more that you can limit that around the base of your home, any areas of your home, you're going to ultimately get a lot more longevity out of your property. And this is going to not only help you in the short term, but the long term, so that you're not dealing with the effects of what water can do as far as the harm it can cause. So another huge benefit to having turf over something like a standard lawn in your yard, not only are you saving water like we're talking about, one of the biggest things is you're not having to put down any chemicals. There are so many harmful chemicals that year after year continue to come out in the news, or with different studies that talk about all the cancer causing harmful things that it can do to your body. And ultimately, a lot of those are utilized to keep your grass looking nice and green. This is a huge benefit to turf. It looks green 365 days a year without you having to put any of those harmful chemicals on it. You're not having to take those risks of it not only harming you, but your children, your pets. These are things that we, obviously need to be taking some care for and responsibility for. And so at Crown and Blade Turf, we really look to get people into a position where they can still enjoy the green, have a great time on the grass, and not have to put themselves in harm's way.